In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Vids for educational videos. Whether you're an educator, student, or just someone keen to create informative content, this guide will help you navigate through the process of creating educational videos using Google Vids with ease and creativity. First, let's dive into the initial step, which involves navigating to Google Vids. It's a simple task of launching your favorite web browser and entering the Google Vids website on the search bar, or clicking on the bookmark if you have it saved. The homepage of Google Vids is designed to be user-friendly, offering a straightforward interface that guides you through its various features. Once you arrive at Google Vids, your next immediate action should be to sign in. Look for the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on it prompts you to choose the Google account you wish to use. It's essential you select the correct account, especially if you're using this for educational purposes or representing an educational institution. This step ensures all your work is saved and accessible under your school or personal Google account. After signing in with your specified Google account, you'll be directed to the main workspace. Your next move is to locate the File tab. This may seem basic, but it's crucial as it navigates you away from the dashboard into the actual creation process. The File tab acts as the gateway to your video creation journey. Under the File tab, you'll find the option labeled New Video. By selecting this, Google Vids provides you with the canvas to start scripting your educational masterpiece. It's an exciting moment because this is where your ideas begin to take shape. Once you click on New Video, you'll be prompted to define the theme or topic of your video. In this case, go ahead and type in Educational Videos. This classification helps Google Vids tailor the creation process to suit educational content, optimizing your experience. Following the theme specification, click on Next to proceed. This directs you to the arrangement and structure of your video. Editing the arrangement is a critical step as it shapes the flow and coherence of your content. It's about organizing your ideas visually and logically to ensure the educational material is engaging and easily digestible for your audience. After fine-tuning your arrangement, it's time to click Next again, which brings you to one of the most exciting parts of the process. Selecting a design. Google Vids offers a variety of design templates that can complement the subject matter of your educational video. Each design influences the viewer's experience, so take a moment to explore the options and select one that resonates with the tone and purpose of your content. With the design selected, you're on the brink of actualizing your vision. The next step is to click on Create the Draft Video. This action signals Google Vids to compile your arrangements, theme, and design into a cohesive draft. It's a thrilling moment as you see the framework of your educational video coming to life before your very eyes. And just like that, you've navigated through the process of starting an educational video project in Google Vids. Remember, the key to a successful educational video is not just in the tools you use, but also in the passion and creativity you bring to the process. Engage with the content, experiment with different arrangements and designs, and always aim to deliver clear, informative, and captivating educational material to your audience. We've covered a lot today, from signing in to selecting a design and creating your draft video. Keep in mind that practice makes perfect. Explore different features, experiment with various layouts, and play around with the editing tools. The more you familiarize yourself with Google Vids, the more efficient and creative your video creation process will become. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial on how to use Google Vids for educational videos. Whether you're planning to create tutorials, lectures, or any form of educational content, Google Vids is a powerful tool that can help bring your educational visions to life. Dive in, explore, and most importantly, have fun creating. Happy video making!